Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Borst with the Mike Borst channel. Thank you for watching. We are working on a Toyota Camry today. We're going to replace the battery. Let's go outside and get started. All right, DIYers, outside at the Toyota Camry, what I'll do is open up the hood, position the camera. I want you to hear what it sounds like when I try to start the engine. And as you see, our battery is basically dead. It did have a little bit of power, and this vehicle has been in the family for about 7 to 8 years, and we've never replaced the battery. So we are going to replace it as opposed to just charge it and hope for the best. We have a 10mm bolt here and a 10mm nut here. We are going to loosen those and remove them, and remove this entire upper locking brace that secures the battery. And I'll start here. And you don't actually have to remove this nut all the way, just loosen it to a point. Let me zoom in down below. You've got this long rod that extends down and loops into a small hole. The bottom portion of this rod is angled up, and again, there's a small hole that it goes into. Go and shift it out of that hole, turn it 90 degrees. And what we'll do is now remove this bolt. Go and set that in a safe location, preferably not where it will fall in the engine and get lost. That would not be good. Next, go ahead and pull up on that extendable handle and carefully maneuver this entire upper locking brace out. You have to pull this rod up. Just be careful. You don't want to harm or break anything. And just, again, maneuver everything through this upper handle here. And I'll push that handle down, and from here take the positive cap off the lead, and what we'll do is grab the 10mm socket and ratchet and loosen up the 10mm nuts on both the black negative and red positive. And first we will do the black negative, and again, you do not actually have to remove the nuts completely, just loosen them and pull them off. What I'll do next is remove the battery. Battery's heavy, so be careful. Next, carefully install the new battery. And here's a view of our new battery. We purchased a Duralast from our local AutoZone, and reversed the steps. I went ahead and carefully re-secured the upper locking brace or bracket. And we'll start with the positive and shift that back onto the lead, and I'll tighten that 10mm nut. From here, reposition and secure the plastic cap. And because we have this gigantic air horn right here and our security system, once I connect this black negative cable to the negative lead, our horn is going to go off, so cover your ears. I've got my keys ready to disengage the alarm. And DIYers, yes, that is loud. From here we will re-secure the nut. Do not over tighten it, but you want it snug. Next, verify you're not leaving any tools behind, and go ahead and start your engine. And taking a step back, after I start the engine, what I'll do is go back to our local AutoZone and return that old battery to get my $25 core back. And that will also give me a few minutes to charge that new battery. Alright DIYers, back from the test drive, all went well. Hopefully this helps. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.